Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here we keep you updated. I see everything that happened from A to Z. But I'm somebody that at times I just overlook some situation and I pass. Now, I want to send this message to Biafra Unite. Yes, I think this is the first time I am doing this. And I am doing this out of respect that I have for Biafra Unite. There is an adage that said, people that remember you when your house is on fire, or a town crier that is crying along the street, giving out information when it rains, he or she never forgets the house that he or she ran into at the middle of the rain or when the rain was pouring so heavily. Now, I am sending this message to Biafra Unite because I remember vividly when I lost my mom. Biafra Unite reached out to me. In fact, I will never forget his words of encouragement. I didn't see anybody apart from my lovers, that people that shared my video, people that love me, people that love what I do, people that support Progress the Analyst. They were there for me. And I was so surprised to see Biafra Unite among everybody that like Biafra know that they are lovers or favorites. Biafra Unite was the only person that sent me a message. He was the only person that sent me a condolence message. And since then, he earned my respect. Since then, I gave it to him because he shows concern. For him to reach out when I am down, to encourage me, like, I just say, that means people even see what I do. And since then, honestly, I begin to give him my respect more than the way I normally do. Now, at a time like this, when things are going some ways or things are coming the way that is not right, at least, I should also say something. I know that a lot of people will say, oh, you are not a Biafra, like the normal comment I normally receive. You are not a Biafra. You don't know anything that is happening. I don't argue any of such with you. But I am here to pass my message to Biafra Unite. Biafra Unite is someone that a lot of people respect. His platform alone is a voice. I remember during the time of DOS, Shika Dezemu, Shina Sanworu, a lot of fights that happens. Biafra Unite stood firm. Biafra Unite used his platform, used his voice to put a lot of things in order. Biafra Unite have a lot of enemies then. I remember the fight. He stood by Simon Ekpa. He said Simon Ekpa is doing the right thing. And through his voice, through his platform, a lot of people were redeemed. People were coming to Simon Ekpa because of Biafra Unite. Because we remember that then, when Nnamdi Kanu will be coming live, Biafra Unite is one person that we blew the alarm, that we put everybody direct to the live stream of Nnamdi Kanu. He will tell everybody, oh, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, will be coming live. Everybody know Biafra for that. Biafra Unite was a voice that a lot of people look up to. Because of Biafra Unite, a lot of people believe in what Simon Ekpa is doing. Now, when this issue happened between these two parties, Deputy Prime Minister and the Chief of Staff, people were so happy. Some persons that are benefiting from this saga on ground, they are happy. They don't even want this saga to come to an end. They don't even want peace to be restored because they are gaining it in one way or the other. Anytime you talk about peace or reconciliation, the first thing they will just do is to tell you, oh, do you think that peace will come? Peace will not come. Some people are just enemy of progress. Now, when this thing happened, Biafra Unite is among the people that came out to talk about the mandate, okay? After that video or that live stream that he did, a lot of people were against him. A lot of people say, oh, you did do it right, you do it right. In fact, it was a very big blow. People were attacking him from left, center, middle, right. Meanwhile, he made the step known and he said he is not going to join any of these parties, okay? A lot of people also call him that he needs to come out to use his voice to say the truth, to stand for the truth, if really he really loves Simon Ekpa. But Biafra Unite did not give heed to any of these calls. He just goes silent. At the end of the day, we heard that some people gave Biafra Unite money to do one or two things, to do this, do that. But Biafra Unite never answered to those calls. I was like, why is Biafra Unite going silent? A lot of people were really looking up to him. A lot of people were calling him, oh, we don't like this Biafra Unite. Why is he going silent at a time like this? And after some time, he starts coming maybe once in 2 weeks or once in a while, knowing fully well that he don't want to be part of this saga. The truth is, I respect his opinion to stay out of this problem. I respect his opinion for not being involved in this battle because nobody is really getting it rightly. I say nobody is getting it right because at times they give you some kind of accusation that you don't even know nothing about. Like some people will come and tell me, oh, Progress the analyst, you need to choose the side that you belong. Oh, Bafra Unite, you need to stand for one direction. You need to choose the side that you belong. Come on. Then Biafra Unite is not helping situation. If Biafra Unite come out and declare his stand that this is the person that I will follow, this is the person that is getting it right, do you think that there will be peace or this saga will end? Because this saga is just like, it's just on social media for no reasonable service. But the only part that I don't like that Biafra Unite is doing, we do respect to Biafra Unite. In fact, you know, say I dey throwaway cap for you at every time. Biafra Unite, honestly, I dey throwaway cap for you because you know yourself for this social media and you get it and you do it right. But the only part that I did not like Biafra Unite, staying off for social media, like, you can still talk about the issue of Simon Ekpa. You can still talk about what is happening in southeastern part of Nigeria. You can still talk about other information, just like what you came out to do in the place of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu during this last court hearing. You analyze this thing, everybody agree, say yes, this is Biafra Unite. You can still come and do it in the place of Simon Ekpa. You can still come and be that voice that the Finland government need to hear. You are good in this, Biafra Unite. God give you this talent. God gave you this gift. Make use of it. Don't just let all this thing that is happening make you go silent. Leaving the case of Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister. You can also use your platform as a voice to talk about the good side of Simon Ekpa, to talk about what he's doing, to talk about his belief, and also including Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You know, these are two people that are fighting for the same cause. You can raise your voice to say all this without not intruding on this saga from the defense minister and the COS. I love the way you remain neutral. Yes, you remain neutral, but if you see some kind of things that is also happening, you can also throw more light on it. I'm not saying defend this person without defending anybody. There are a lot of things that is happening. Look at what is happening in Anambra, Ebonyi, all over Nigeria. A lot of things is going on. You can also talk about it. You can also talk about Simon Ekpa. So this is why I said, no, I have to also come and send the message to Biafra Unite that this is not the time for him to just go silent. No, Biafra Unite. I will not just allow or accept that you just go silent just like that. No, you can still come and still be doing the good work that you normally do without not intruding on this saga on ground. So this is just my few words I have for Biafra Unite. Thank you everyone for always tuning in. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, and Please do well to share this video and let it get to Biafra Unite. Thank you so much and bye for now.